can look like this. I can look like this. I can look like this. I can even look like this. I can also look like this. But you probably recognize me when I look like this. Oh, wait! Haha. Well, how about now? Do you recognize me? That's right, I'm Rosie, Rosie the Riveter. And you probably heard a lot about me. Well, do you know this? You just saw I can look like many different women. So, why is that? That's because I'm not a person.
Huh? Huh? Huh?
Huh? Huh? I know, it sounds strange, right? But I have to admit, I'm not a person. I am every woman. Wow, they probably wrote more than one song about me. But anyway, I'm not one woman. I am every woman. I am an image, a figure, or even an icon. You can call me whatever you want. I am a symbol for all the women in World War II. Let me tell something about myself. I'll start with my husband.
I'm Charlie, Rosie's husband.
I know, the fake person has a fake husband, but you need to look past that now. Look at the story I'm telling you with this. My husband, handsome as he is, he was a hard worker. He worked in a factory making rivets. You know what rivets are? But then World War II started, a nasty war, and that meant my husband had to leave and fight for his country.
My sweet Rosie. I hope I see you again, but remember, if I die with pride. Goodbye, Rosie.
I was so sad and missed him terribly.
But then I found out that not just my husband was gone to fight, all the husbands were gone. And that meant all the women were left home alone. But who is going to do the job of the men? Now they're fighting. We, American women, became even harder workers than we already were. We had to take care of our children. We had to take care of the household. And we had to work in the factories now. I started working in Charlie's old factory and make rivets. Then, on a good day, the war was over and the men came back home.
Honey, I'm home!
Charlie was home, but that meant I couldn't work in the factory anymore. Now he's there.
Thank you, Rosie, for working in the factory while I was gone, but now I am back. And, well, I am a man, and I must do a man's job. And you, Rosie, are a woman, and a woman needs to do a woman's job, so go home.
And we, American women, were fired from our jobs and we had to go back to our cages. But do you think I, Rosie the Riveter, went back home without a fight?